Everything about this watch is museum quality, and it is one of the finest miniature enamels ever to be created. The art of enamel watch painting began with Charles Palozzi, a man who translated the grand scale of European masterpieces into the microscopic confines of a watch dial. Palozzi set the gold standard that every major house, from Patek Philippe to Rolex, relies upon to define their most prestigious pieces. The artist grinds colored glass into powder finer than flour. They apply it with a single hair. Then they put the entire watch into a 1,000-degree kiln. Each color requires different firing, and if the glass cracks, the work of 1 year is gone in a second. It is the most high stakes of art in the world of watches. Palozzi took Vermeer's Quiet World and placed it right into 800 degrees of liquid fire. The watch itself is so well painted, it looks like a photograph. And if we think about the 1940s, there is no computer, there is nothing indicating or helping Palozzi achieve this level of craftsmanship. Palozzi's vision lived on through Suzanne Rohr. Suzanne Rohr is really a master at recreating beautiful scenes, portraits, but also landscapes. But her most celebrated work is always Renoir. In this watch, she chose Renoir's Two Girls, a masterpiece of impressionist warmth. Rohr creates this fleeting, intimate moment of youth through replicating the soft, luminous brushstrokes on the enamel. Then came the third generation, Anita Porcher, Suzanne Rohr's protege. Anita Porcher recreated almost the entire ceiling of Marc Chagall's masterpiece above the Palais Garnier Opera House in Paris. The caseback is signed homage to Beethoven, Bizet, Verdi, and Gluck. Different sections feature the composer and recreating some of the symphony. Porcher would put out her thumb and add little bits of paint, one hair at a time, getting those little bits of blue and green and red and carefully applying it to the dial to create this masterpiece. These three watches represent their best work through a poetic trilogy.